Ang dish po na isi-share ko sa inyo ngayong araw can make us shine sa ating kitchen. Dahil ang dish natin ngayong araw ay chicken teriyaki with yasaita meat vegetable and Japanese steamed rice. Teriyaki means shiny or glossy and yaki means grill or fry. We can start deboning our chicken. Now we are going to marinate our chicken. We're going to put our ginger and soy sauce, 1 cup, half cup of sugar, or you can also substitute honey for the sweetness, and half cup of water, rice wine. Then now we're going to put black pepper, our yasaita vegetable, we're going to be needing sliced onions. Next, 2 pieces of peeled carrots. We're going to slice it in julienne. Next, we need quarter cabbage. Now we need to pan fry our chicken. Heat up the pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil, heat it up, then put our chicken. When you pan fry the chicken, it needs to be skin side up. Antayin natin mag-caramelize yung chicken and mag-evaporate yung marinade para ma-absorb ng chicken yung flavor. Then we need to flip after 5 minutes. Add a little bit of juice if we need, as needed. Meron na tayong protein from our chicken. Meron din tayong lots of nutrients from our vegetables and carbohydrates from the rice. How is it?
Sarap.
Okay, ako naman. It's my turn to taste. Overall, I can say we did a really good job doing this dish. Sana magustuhan nyo. Samahan niyo po ulit kami sa aming susunod na episode ng
Kakaroy!
Thank you for watching!
Bye!
Bye!